Here I've got Google Pixel 4 and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first let's open list of all application, then find and select the settings, go to the sound, then open advanced features and select phone ringtone. So here you've got several options to browse your ringtone from. So you've got several albums, which are My Sounds, Pixel Sounds, Classical Harmonies, Minimal Melodies, Royalty Bites, Retro Riffs, Play It Loud and Seasonal Celebration. So let's start with the last one and let's come along with all of this. So that will be all from this album. Then let's go, for example, to Retro Riffs. And then Pixel Sounds, start with Big Adventure. And I will pick Hey Hey, then click on Save, and that's it. You've just changed your phone ringtone. You can come along with all of these and then select the one that you have mood for. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.